Want a bigger and better Bavarian Buick? Well, here you go. The 2017 BMW 5 Series sedan you see here is a huskier, four-door version of the 4 Series Grand Coupe, yet it's still not as elongated as the current 7 Series. At 194.6 inches long, 83.7 inches wide and 58.2 inches tall, this all-new medium-sized four-door is 1.2 inches longer than the previous model plus 0.3 inch wider and 0.6 inch taller. Despite its slightly larger and lower profile, the 7th-generation sports sedan has shed 137 pounds thanks to extensive use of aluminum, magnesium, and steel. For starters, the trunk lid, engine cross-member, rear side members, roof, and doors are made out of aluminum. The new BMW 5 Series will make a mature, confidently stylish, and dynamic impression at every opportunity. The formal and precise design combines presence, aesthetic appeal, and functionality in equal measure, said Karim Habib, BMW's head of design. For 2017, there's a pair of new models powered by a 4 or 6-cylinder turbocharged engine, both mated to a ZF 8-speed automatic. The 530i, which takes over for the 528i, receives the new 2.0-liter i4, which delivers 248 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque, up from 240 horsepower and 250 lb-ft in the 2016 528i. BMW claims that the 2017 530i can hit 60 miles per hour in 6.0 seconds flat, with xDrive equipped models being slightly faster, needing 5.8 seconds to complete the sprint. Replacing the 535i is the 540i. In years past, the 540i would be powered by a V8, but the 2017 version is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo i6. With 335 horsepower and 332 lb-ft of torque on tap, it bests the 2016 535i by 35 horsepower and 32 lb-ft. For this model, BMW claims a 060 miles per hour time of 4.9 seconds for RWD models and 4.7 seconds for xDrive equipped AWD variants, which the automaker also says is 0.7 seconds faster than the outgoing 535i xDrive. We recently had the chance to sample both 2017 5 Series models in prototype form and found the engine of the 530i to be perfectly competent. As for the 540i's i6, we felt that this engine captures the essence of the Bavarian motor works. For those who could use a more speed, BMW offers the M Sport package on both 5 Series variants that adds performance run-flat tires on 19-inch wheels and raises the top speed from 130 miles per hour to 155. In addition, the package includes lowered suspension, the M aerodynamic kit comprised of larger air intakes, side skirts, rear diffuser, and rectangular exhaust tips, shadow line exterior trim, an M Sport leather steering wheel, and aluminum pedals. Standard tech features on the 2017 5 Series include driver and parking assistance, active lane assist, active protection, front collision warning, and LED adaptive headlights. But the best features are the ones that work best while you're stuck in traffic. The optional 20-way adjustable multi-control seats. 16-way adjustable seats are standard with 20 air chambers built into the backs, and cushions are a must for the comfort conscious. There are 8 massage programs to choose from, and each can be set to one of 3 levels of intensity. Drivers are also able to set temperature thresholds for seat heating and seat ventilation as well as for the heated steering wheel. Additionally, the 7 Series gesture and intelligent voice control are available for the infotainment set. While not recommended for the tech-challenged, this system makes life easier for those who enjoy new wizardry. For example, it allows you to answer calls with a wave of your hand or use a swiping motion in the air to reject it. BMW claims that the rear seat, which offers 36.5 inches of legroom, will seat 3 adults comfortably. Trunk capacity has increased to 18.7 cubic feet, offering enough space for 4 golf bags. Win the 2017 BMW 5 Series sedan. The existing 5 Series Grand Sport Soldiers On arrives at dealers in February 2017. Buyers will have 13 colors to choose from, 11 metallic and 2 non-metallic, as well as 4 wheel sizes ranging from 18 to 20 inches. Pricing has not been announced, but we expect a slight bump to around $55,000 from the 2016 base price of $51,195. 2017 BMW 5 Series specifications on sale. February 2017 price, $55,000 basest engine, 2.0 liters twin turbocharged DOC 16 valve I-4248 HP at 5,200 revolutions per minute. 258 lb-ft at 1,450 revolutions per minute. 3.0 liters twin turbocharged 24-valve I-6335 HP at 5,500 revolutions per minute. 332 pounds-feet at 1,380 revolutions per minute. Transmission, 8-speed automatic layout, 4-door, 5-passenger, front engine, road sedan. EPA mileage, Na LXWXH, 194.6 by 83.7 by 58.2 in wheelbase, 117.1 in weight, 3,7464, 019 pounds. 060 miles per hour, 76.0 seconds. Top speed, 130,155 miles per hour. Show more.